The signaling and telecommunication system plays a vital role in the safe operation of the train. With the introduction of dual VDUs, my job of operating the signaling system has become more efficient, thereby ensuring the safe working of the trains. Double line with advanced technology will improve the section capacity and efficiency of the system.
The state-of-art electronic interlocking system and modern technology helps in improving the reliability of the system, further enhancing efficiency of the train working.
The modern technology facilitates predictive maintenance to ensure reduction of chance of failure. We follow our best practices and safety is our number one priority. We strictly adhere to zero compromise policy when it comes to safety during maintenance activity. The safety rules are followed meticulously without adopting shortcuts.
Better facilities at work is always a welcome relief for us. It is a major part of overall employee welfare.
Unfurled by challenges and uncertainties in recent times, the South Central Railway has tirelessly worked in executing several projects with great success. The doubling of Shadnagar-Balanagar-Gollapalli section for 30 kilometers was undertaken by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited with a vision to provide better facilities to the public and reduce congestion and other traffic bottlenecks. The signalling and telecommunication works, which are a part of Shadnagar-Balanagar-Gollapalli doubling section, stands testimony to our commitment to excellence and our will to match the best standards. With a special focus on revamping the entire workplace with better facilities, the RVNL team, through consultation with several key employees, has successfully transformed the work environment to enable the staff to work more comfortably and deliver maximum productivity. In a bid to create a unique identity to the station master room and render a corporate appeal in the overall appearance of the room, a tremendous amount of planning and execution was put in place to create excellent facilities. To improve the efficiency of operation, the SMs will now be armed with dual VDUs with changeover facility. The dual VDUs will enable the SMs to monitor and execute key functions through the information on screen. Universal fail-safe block instrument is installed near the VDU to achieve maximum safety in block signaling. The UFSBI is designed for fail-safe operation and is meant for interfacing the block signals and exchange the information to the receiving end with high degree of safety and availability. For instance, signaling and telecommunication equipment that support the station master's operations are neatly encased with glass panels and are well mounted, thereby reducing clutter.
पहले मैं पौधा नूर पुश बटन टोकनलेस ब्लॉक इंस्ट्रूमेंट इस्तेमाल किया करता था, लेकिन अभी मैं वीडियो पैनल इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, जो कि ट्रेन के संचालन को काफ़ी सहज एवं सुगम कर दिया है।
The station master room is spacious and well ventilated with bright interiors. Window blinders of premium quality are installed for protection against dust and to shield against weather conditions. Beautifully furnished restrooms are designed with the best amenities to address the station master's basic needs without compromise. For ease in reference, important documents are updated and neatly arranged. The station master room now has a dedicated space allocated for the inspecting officials to carry out their work. Dedicated ticket counter is also planned in such a way to create least disturbance to the workflow of the staff.
हमने जो उम्मीद किया उससे कहीं बढ़कर पाया। इस ऑफिस में हमारी सुविधाओं का भी ख्याल रखा गया है। इसके लिए
रेस्ट रूम, चेंजिंग रूम, कवर्ड्स, एक अच्छे इंटीरियर्स दिए गए हैं जिससे हमारा ऑफिस एक कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस दिखता है। थैंक्स टू RVNL।
ఐటీ వాళ్ళకు ఇచ్చిన కంఫర్ట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మాకు ఇందులో RVNL వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు. ఆఫ్ డ్యూటీ వాళ్ళు రెస్ట్ తీసుకోవడానికి, డ్రెస్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి అల్మారాస్ చాలా ఇచ్చారు, ర్యాక్స్ ఇచ్చారు. తర్వాత ఈ SNT ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇచ్చారు. ఏదైనా పొగ, ఏదైనా ఎలాంటివి ఏమైనా సస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే అలాంటివి వస్తుంది అని తెలిస్తే ఇక్కడ అలారం అవుతుంది. దాన్ని బట్టి మనం ప్రివెన్షన్గా మనం ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు ఏమిటి అనేసి వాటి గురించి కూడా చాలా ఇచ్చారు.
It is amazing. Our workplace looks very much like a corporate office. We have the best facilities now, a good restroom and very good interiors. I am happy that RVNL has taken this initiative. Thank you.
Video surveillance for relay rooms, station yards, and interlocked LC gates is provided to ensure safety in train operations, a first of its kind in the SCR region. The best interior design of the ESM room allows working on maintenance-related aspects like monitoring the records, diagrams, circuits, etc. right from their dedicated desk. With comfortable seating arrangement and access to all the key devices that are integral to their day-to-day work, the maintenance engineer can now work more efficiently with a better support for high-yielding working style. The electronic interlocking with hot standby mode operating through a centralized architecture is installed at all the 3 stations to enhance the availability, reliability and safety of the system. To track the system events, data loggers with a capacity of 512 digital and 32 analog respectively are installed in the relay room. These systems will be especially helpful for preventive maintenance and tracing route data. The relay contact data of UFSBI is also proved in scenarios that require quick fault localization. As several devices and equipment require auto changeover and constant supply of power, our stations are now equipped with 2 IPS units with battery backup, one exclusively for electronic interlocking. These are safely secured with earthing and surge-proofing protection devices. All the crucial signaling rooms, that is, relay rooms, IPS rooms, OFC rooms, are equipped with fire alarm systems to alert the station master during contingencies. To protect the EI equipment, earthing arrangements are also ensured. Also, A-class lightning protection is installed to shield the devices from lightning surges. B and C-class SPDs and D-class SPDs designed as per RDSO standards are installed for protection of equipment from unwanted surges. The LC gates, which were mechanically operated, are now replaced with motorized version. This change will considerably reduce time of operation and manual effort. High availability single section digital axle counter are installed to ensure high availability of axle counting system by means of redundancy. The device can use information from either one of the 2 detectors on the track to convey information. Universal point machines can now be administered from a centralized location. Motorized operating siding points are installed in place of the traditional mechanical ones to amp the safety aspect in shunting operations. Now, LED signals are installed to avoid any case of signal blurs. To protect the device from harsh weather conditions, the outdoor equipment is accommodated in apparatus case made of premium material. We have also raised the foundation and provided tie bar fencing for the location boxes to facilitate better working conditions for the staff. Signaling cables play a vital role in the functioning of equipment associated with railway signals, point machine, track circuits, and block instruments. For this project, we have taken due care in laying cables along the routes, both line-wise and function-wise, wherein the cables associated to a given circuit can be disconnected for maintenance with the least impact on the traffic. Dedicated 24 fiber OFC and 6 quad cables are laid throughout the block section for efficient train communication and for signaling. And to ensure continuity of operations during maintenance, we have laid a dedicated cable up to the home signals on either side of the route to cater to the non-interlocking needs. Similarly, a dedicated cable is used for networking of potential free contacts of track feed chargers. To comply to the SEM standards, 20% cable spares are always ensured. To meet the growing demands in communication, VHF sets of 25 watts capacity are introduced for uninterrupted communication between SM and loco pilots, guards on board, and personnel from the adjacent station. Multi-channel communication facility is also ensured to facilitate efficient operations. The integrated passenger information system that is introduced is a step forward to meet the growing needs in seamless information flow to the customer. The teleconsole arrangements are provided in the telecom room. The crucial power supply equipment, including 25 VHF and decoders for control communication, are also accommodated in the teleconsole. To facilitate communication between two stations, a dedicated 24 fiber OFC is laid apart from the existing Railtel OFC. The OFC terminates in the 42U rack present in the OFC room. The OFC, along with 6 quad cables, ensure media diversity for UFSBI and HASSDAC. To overcome bandwidth challenges in the future, the OFC room is equipped with IP-MPLS equipment, a cutting-edge technology that will have a positive impact on optimal utilization of bandwidth. This project is the culmination of integrity, passion, and a combined effort of RVNL management and the staff who have tirelessly lent their heart and soul to bring about a transformational change in the Shadnagar Balanagar Gollapalli section. We hope that this will make life easier for the executives, frontline staff, and to the public who wish for a great commute with the Indian Railways.